Hello! How are you all? Today is a very tough day. You know what? I have to go somewhere. That too, my nephew's birthday party. And I don't have anything to wear. Literally, you can see I don't have anything to wear. You also fall in the same situation or not? Do let me know in the comment section below. Finally, because I was not having money to buy any more new dresses, so I picked on to 2 dresses. So let me see which one I will be wearing. Let me show you both the dresses. Just check them out. This is one, this is another. This is one shoulder, this is off shoulder. I'm not able to decide which one should I go for because they both, cater to a different genre. Which one do you think I should be wearing? Huh? What? Oh my God, I was also planning to wear this. Thank you so much. We both are the same. So here begins my journey. I'm going to take you to the whole journey with me today. How I got dressed up and how my kids, they ate my head on the way. So let's get started. I am the magician and just check out my magic. 1, 2, 3. I am here doing my makeup. I'm applying my foundation here. So as my dress is brown in color, so I will be going for something similar on my eyes. And because we will have to wear the masks initially, so I won't be doing much on my lips. So that's why I will try to keep the eye makeup a little more glittery and heavy. So now let us go with the concealer. Earlier I also used to do that V wala concealer tip, but now I have even realized that this way of concealing by just putting it here and over here is always a better idea. So I will just see you in a minute after the makeup. So here you can see we are in our car and on our journey to my nanny house for the birthday celebration. So here you can see the little ones so excited for the birthday celebrations. So show us the gifts. Where are the gifts? How many gifts have you taken? Oh my God! Today the birthday boy is literally going to be having a great time. So here you can see Raman. He is busy driving. So Yuvan, you have something to say? Yuvan, आपने कुछ बोलना है? आपने कुछ नहीं बोलना? आपका दिल ही नहीं कर रहा? Oh my God! अच्छा Shaheen. So what about you? Are you happy going with us? After a long time you are going, beta. After so many months, I think this is the first celebration you are going out for. Okay. So Yuvan, Hanji, come here Yuvan. Yuvan इधर आओ. Hanji Yuvan, आपको क्या कहना है? आपकी टी-शर्ट तो बड़ी सुंदर है ना? हाँ, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? कुछ कहना है आपको? नहीं। आप कुछ नहीं कहते हो? दिल नहीं कर रहा कहने का। ओह माय गॉड, अच्छा ओहो, मास्क ऊपर कर रहे हो? ठीक है, बैठ जाओ। So kids are kids, of course. So you can see that we are all excited. They are going out after so many months. So let's hope everything turns out well. And see something which you have seen in my earlier video also. That was also a vlog where I took you to Delhi. So we move out of Jalandhar and you can see the traffic on the road. There is a little jam in the front, so hope so that we move out of the jam very soon. Welcome to my second vlog, everybody. Let's have a safe journey. Just passing through Rama Mandi. There's a lot of traffic over here and I think so it will take us a little while to cross Rama Mandi. So by the time we will be listening to some songs over here. So DJ song बजाए जाएं. DJ song बजाइए. Description नहीं. हमारा डीजे बहुत ढीला है. ये डीजे को बिल्कुल भी गाने नहीं लगाने आ रहे हैं. Of course none of the. Oh God. डीजे ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਚਾਚਾ ਜੀ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ. So here we have the DJ playing us a beautiful song. So DJ को डराने में हम कामयाब हो चुके हैं. And by the way, you can take the mazas of Rama Mandi. Of course, there is nothing exciting in Rama Mandi. This is what I feel. But still, moving on with the traffic. It is 6:13 p.m. A beautiful song. As we just move out of Rama Mandi, you can just see here that we have a single lane accommodating the traffic of both the sides. So here Yuvan is saying कि धीरे बोलिए because he wants to sleep and so we will let him sleep. So just wanted to give you this information only that if anybody coming from Jalandhar or from any other area to Hoshiarpur, you have to check this out that the timing you are traveling should be comfortable for you to drive on such a road which is accommodating the traffic going and coming from both the sides. So now I will let Yuvan sleep. Lots of deforestation has been done on the side roads because here the construction work for the two laning is under progress and here we are again on the single road. Of course a risky drive, but we are literally concerned about this deforestation which has occurred, as we know that trees are so important for our environment. But let's see and hope for the best. Again, we are on a double lane, so there is a haphazard thing going on. Sometimes single lane, sometimes double lane, again single, again double. So let us enjoy this bumpy ride. The drive from Jalandhar to Hoshiarpur by road takes around approximately 1 hour plus, depends upon the driver. It is at an approximation of 45 kilometers from Jalandhar. A road trip comes with its own enjoyment. A long drive, as to me, is always refreshing experience. You can see very well that a lot of construction is being done on the road, increase in infrastructure. This on the right hand side is Sonalika Tractors, having a big name in the country for their tractor making. And here we go, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we reach the destination. And here we can see the real joy of childhood. The small babies, they can't even wait for a little while, and he was so excited to see all his gifts.
खान को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
Happy birthday dear you. Happy birthday to you.
कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेस तो कोई लाता फिरकी लट्टू कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया
And another program should never lag behind. Anybody there for this fish and the chicken and the kheer, and we are not left behind with the vegan food as well. Bye bye. चलो बाय कर लेते हैं हम दोनों मिलके एक बार. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye. And we start our journey back home after such a refreshing experience with our family after a long while. On our way back, it was really seeming like from somewhere down the line, a conjuring or a nun is definitely going to come and catch hold of us. There was nothing on the roads, just we and only we. Here we reach the city, and there we are back in Jalandhar. Zooming down to our most comfortable place, that is our own home. After a hip hip hooray time. So you can see we have finally reached our home back after this Dravni wala journey back home, and I think Shaheen had a great nap on the way, right Shaheen?
Yes.
But we literally had a very great time with our family after a very long time. So Yuvan, where are you? Yuvan has already stepped out of the car. And can you say bye-bye to everybody, Yuvan?
Bye.
Yeah, literally he is quite tired. We all are tired. So it's always a great journey with you all. Hope you all had a great time with all of us. In case you have any other suggestions, do pour in the comment box below. Until next time, bye-bye.